Let me show you an example again. I see a trinomial, I like to factor it. Almost immediately and instinctively, I'll put two parentheses down. The leading coefficient is a 1, so first term times first term makes an x squared, and that's what I have. Now I want to think about all the factors of 6 such that when added equal this middle term. But the middle term this time is a negative 5. So let's think about how you can make a positive 6. That's a 6 times a 1, a negative 6 times a negative 1, a 3 times a 2, and a negative 3 times a negative 2. Now which one of those four options also produces that when I add them together, a negative 5? Looks like the negative 3 and the negative 2. So one factor is x minus 3 and the other factor is x minus 2. Let's look at another example. Let's change the variables up. So we have y squared minus 2y minus 99. Well, again, I see that leading coefficient's a 1, so I'm going to automatically start my process with y's in each position. All the factors of 99, well, that's a 1 and a 99. Oh, it's a negative 99, so that's be a negative 1 and a positive 99, or a positive 1 and a negative 99. 33 and 3. The negative sign switch. 11 and 9. So I can have a negative 11 and a positive 9, or I can have a positive 11 and a negative 9. So those are 6 options that I have. Are any of those options that when I add them together produce a negative 2, negative 11, and positive 9? So my factors are y minus 11 and y plus 9. And again, it's a good idea to check. And let's look at x squared minus plus 2x, x squared plus 2x minus 35. What do you want to do first? Well, let's put down some parentheses and put the x's in the first spots. Then think of what are all the factors of negative 35 that add up to a positive 2. Well, I have a 35 and a 1. And 1 can be positive, 1's negative, so negative 35 can also be a negative 7 and a 5. Or a positive 7 and a negative 5. So do any of those options that when I add together produce this middle term, which is a positive 2? Looks like this last one does. 7 and negative 5. So my factors are x plus 7 and x minus 5.